What interview?
Yes. Good interview because you are, I guess, very good voice.
No.
Yes.
So I used the 옴마니반베흄에
Yes.
after my surgery,
Yes.
and the first night it was very painful after the
Yes.
surgery.
Yes.
So in my mind, I said many times 옴마니반베흄에,
Yes.
and the pain, I forgot the pain.
It's okay.
It was okay.
It's okay. Oh,
So I
good.
think it's good to focus.
Yes.
So when you are focused on something, you forget.
And do you know sound healing treatment sound? Om. Do you know?
Okay.
Om.
I see.
And sound is healing the mind and comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah, therefore, and body and more treatment healing. I guess you good.
No.
Good. 옴마니반베흄. How can do you know?
When I visited China,
Yes.
my guide was a Buddhist,
Oh,
a Chinese woman.
Chinese woman.
Yes.
Yes.
And we visited a big temple where near Kunming in China,
Oh, China.
in Yunnan.
Yes.
Yes, a big place.
Yes.
And she learned me this mantra,
Oh, 옴마니반베흄.
but long time ago. Huh?
Yes. 옴마니반베흄. 옴. Do you know 옴? Yeah,
Okay.
옴 is and universal sound and
Okay.
yes, good sound.
Hmm.
Number one sound is 옴.
Okay.
Yes.
But most of the time, I said this in my mind,
Yes.
not something with my mouth.
Yeah. And sound is can treatment to the
Hmm.
body and mind. You
Okay,
know,
body and mind.
Yes,
Okay.
mind. Good talking. Thank you very much. Good
Thank you.
interview.